Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming which Google account holds your Google Pay profile and making sure you can access both numbers. This reduces lockouts. Once done, enable SMS on the new number and keep the old SIM if possible so you can receive one-time codes. Make sure to back up transaction history and note linked bank or card details. Banks sometimes require extra verification when a phone number changes. This saves time later and prevents payment interruptions while you switch verification methods. You now update the number in your Google account first because Google Pay reads that field for verification. After you save it, verify the new number with the SMS code. This links recovery and security alerts. Next, open Google Pay and allow it to refresh. It may prompt you to re-verify identity or re-authenticate with your fingerprint or PIN. If a card's tokenization fails, remove and re-add that card so the bank can issue a new token tied to your updated contact details. You finish by making a small transaction or sending a small amount to a trusted contact. This confirms both tokenization and receipt of OTPs. If something goes wrong, first check that SMS messages arrive. Carriers sometimes block verification shortcodes, or that two-factor authentication didn't revert settings. If SMS fails, use alternate verification like authenticator apps or contact your bank to revalidate the card. If unresolved, gather transaction ID and contact Google or your bank for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.